Those are babies. Oh, he's got several babies. Oops, the sun's in her eye. Look at all the babies the Easter Bunny left you. An egg! It looks like a baby ducky's in it. Look at it.
Can you open it?
Yeah. I think we'll have to put it in water again and wait for it to hatch. That's so exciting. What else did she bring you? Bubbles?
Yeah.
For your bubble gun. What else is in there? One more bubble? Look, it looks like she left you a big present too. What's this? What is that? You want to open it? Okay, pull, pull. What is it? Oh my God, it's Dora. What is it? It's a unicorn trail from Dora.
An egg? You're so much more excited about the egg than Dora.
What's this?
A pirate story.
That's right. It's Jake and the Neverland Pirates.
Did the Easter Bunny bring anything for Caitlin? Oh, look, she got some Easter jammies and a bib.
And look at, she brought you
Can
some
you say hi, baby Caitlin?
What are these?
Hi.
You want to try it?
Hey. Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, she brought these for you. They're
Happy
pretty
Easter.
yummy. You want to take a bite? Is that good? Can you wave to Daddy and say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
Oh, thank you.